Hey guys, so if you're out and cycling, there is one thing I don't want you to cheap out on, which is the bicycle bell. Over here you can see two bells that looks pretty much identical. One of them is a knockoff, which is the black one. Comes in a white box, costs less than $10. This is the Spurcycle original bike bell. And wait till you hear the sound difference, and then you know why I tell you don't cheap out. Try the cheap one first. Okay, there is no resonating at all. Try the expensive one. Listen to the sound difference. Okay, it's still resonating. Cheap one, expensive one. So, don't cheap out. Get the Spurcycle original bike bell.